Good afternoon, educators. I would like to share with you a 90-minute design and technologies lesson for Foundation to Year 2 students. Using a range of recycled materials that students have brought in from home, they will design and construct boats that can float in water. To introduce the lesson, I like to read the wonderful story Who Sank the Boat by Pamela Allen. At the beginning, students will make predictions about which animal sank the boat, and after reading the story, we'll hopefully come to the conclusion that the overall weight of the animals was too heavy for that particular boat. This activity follows inquiry-based pedagogy and links to students' understanding of the real-life design and construction processes involved in boat building. Students should be divided into groups of 5. They will use Play-Doh and other craft materials to each create one of the 5 animals from the story, which they will use in their investigation, which may look something like this. This is an example of the 5 Play-Doh animals. Students will be responsible for managing their roles within their teams, which involves collaboration and decision-making. For example, one student might collect the materials, another might join them, someone will record the results, and so on. I believe that mixed ability groups are beneficial for this activity as it offers many opportunities for peer learning through the discussion and problem-solving processes that students go through. Educators will need to keep a close eye on all groups to ensure that lower ability students or students with special needs are supported and scaffolded. Students will use a variety of materials, such as the ones shown here, to design their boats and make predictions about the investigation. They will then construct their boats and conduct a variety of tests to see if their boats can float. They will have to problem solve and record any alterations to their designs if their boats don't float, and record how many animals their boats were able to hold. This activity is a truly collaborative and engaging learning experience that students can greatly benefit from. While it is a design and technologies lesson, it also integrates science through concepts of force and weight, inquiry and investigative skills. It also links to mathematics through measurement, counting and recording, and of course the cross-curricular priority of sustainability by recycling and reusing materials. This task will also encourage critical thinking and autonomy in students and support a variety of important 21st century skills that we as educators really need to build in our students. Being able to innovate and use creative thinking in the design process, collaborate and work with others, and develop problem-solving abilities to overcome challenges are all crucial skills that students will need to have to be able to progress through the education system and into the workforce. Students will use their results to analyse the data and write a conclusion in their technology journals. Just a few sentences about their successes and challenges, what they might improve next time. Technology journals can then be used as a summative assessment to measure student achievements against learning objectives and curriculum standards. I also like to use formative assessment in the form of observation checklists during the activity, which provides evidence of student learning as it occurs and also assists in modifying content and teaching strategies as needed. A fantastic way to conclude this lesson is with a game. Students race their boats by blowing on them to see who can sail the fastest to the finish line. To encourage sustainable thinking in students, you can use the water from the containers to water plants in the school garden, or reuse leftover materials for other activities such as planting seeds in bottles. I hope you'll try this lesson with your Foundation to Year 2 students, as it provides a really fun, active and student-centred learning environment that develops a range of skills and knowledge across many curriculum areas. Thank you.